What's up, everybody? um, Back to my channel once again. Today I'm going to be installing a keyless remote control system into my 2010 Toyota Corolla. This is the base model. It doesn't have remote key entry, so today I'm just going to be installing that into the car. And I got this particular brand of remote control entry system on Amazon for $16. It comes with the module itself and some other harnesses. This is the remote control for me to get into the car. It has lock, unlock, if you want to press the alarm, and then also the button to come up. So I'm going to be showing you what you need to do to install this particular remote entry system. So to do this, pretty much what you need is go online, get a copy of your car wiring diagram. This is for the 2009 to 2010 Toyota Corolla. I got this online. I'll leave the description, the link to the site where I get it in the description below. And as well, this is the harness that comes with the system. So what you need to do is to look for basic things, basic connections rather. This is the installation diagram, and most of Toyota Corolla of this kind, they're usually a negative trigger connection. So what you want to do is to look for the connection of the control lock system. The orange is not connecting to anything. The white wire connects to the lock signal. And then where's your lock signal on the Toyota wiring diagram? So that's power lock. You look for it. Where is it located? For mine, it's gonna be, because my car is US Canada, so it's gonna be black wire, and it's located at the driver's kick, and this is the driver kick section. So that's all the things you're gonna be looking for. And for that, I have a little diagram here which I'm gonna be showing you guys. Already come up with my own kind of diagram, and if you follow it, everything will be connected right. So for me to do this connection, I'm gonna be opening up this driver kick section. Pop this up. This is the driver's kick section. You have the ground point over here. You can ground your connection right here. This is the ground, and this on my wiring diagram, I'm gonna be looking for where to make connections to all these pins over here. And another one which I need to get to would be the 12-volt constant, which is here. And I'm gonna get my prying tool and then pry that open for me to get in there. So this is my 12-volt constant coming from the battery. This white wire, I am gonna be slicing into that. I'm gonna run a connection into the 12-volt as well. But before you do anything, make sure that you disconnect your battery. The negative one, remove it before you start slicing into any wire. Like I said, before you start any slicing or cutting of cable, make sure the negative terminal of your battery is disconnected, so you don't have any power going into your car, because you're going to be cutting the 12-volt battery. So this is the wiring harness for the system, and I'll be connecting it. So don't be intimidated with all this wiring. For a negative trigger connection, which is particularly for this Toyota Corolla, there are 5 wires you need to connect. So now I tap the solid white into black of the Toyota Corolla, and that's my lock signal, and the white and black cable into the pink of the Toyota side, and that's my unlock. And now I'm gonna plug this back. Already got my 12-volt power tap from the battery source. Now I'm gonna connect it to the 12-volt source here, and I'll test. There's 3 wires. The yellow, black, and black all together will be connected and connected to the ground. So this is how I join them together, and I'll remove it and just connect it right here. This is where I get my ground from. And now I'm gonna take off this bolt right here. That's the bolt for the ground. Now this is the connection I've made. 12-volt battery, 12 constant 12-volt. It's gonna bring power into the unit over here, right here. This is my lock signal. That's the solid white coming from the device straight into the black cable on this pin, and this is my unlock signal, which is the white and black straight into the pink cable, the pink one over here, and my 3 cables, which is the black, yellow, and yellow, all connected to the ground here, and that's what's gonna ground my device. Now I'm gonna go to put the battery on and test this thing. So for me to test this is the lock. You're locked. Double click, you're unlocked. I'll do it again. Lock. Unlock. So I went ahead and secure it somewhere around here, and I'm gonna put this thing back the way. First I connect this one back in there, or my son is over here making noise watching daddy do it, but it's all cool. First I'm gonna plug this one's back the way I removed it. I'll put that back. So the next thing is for me to put this roll over here back just the way I had it before. And I'm gonna put my battery terminal back and check everything. Alright guys, it's a moment to test out the installation. I'm gonna lock and unlock, lock again and unlock. So guys, that's the installation. You can like, subscribe to my channel, and we're gonna have a bunch of videos coming out again. Thank you for watching. See you next time.